engineer pollution control and water management play a vital role in sustaining the environment and protecting the water table from contamination. Polymer-based geosynthetics are the first-line defenders in safeguarding life-sustaining elements. SKAPS Industries, established in 1996 in North America, is a world leader in the manufacture of geosynthetic products. The Commerce, Georgia facility is spread over 25 acres and houses the most advanced geonet and geomembrane manufacturing, as well as geotextile lamination technology. All products meet the stringent norms established by industry certification and government regulators. Today, our annual production exceeds 24 million square meters of geonets and geocomposites, and 15 million square meters of geomembranes. SKAPS Transnet, a biplanar geonet, is made from virgin high-density polyethylene and is offered in thicknesses ranging from 160 to 500 mils. We also offer a product that is made with our Transnet geonet, geocomposite drainage nets, or just geocomposites. Geotextiles are laminated to one or both sides of a geonet to make a geocomposite. Geotextiles provide both a filtration component, which keeps fine debris out of the geonet, ensuring uninterrupted flow, as well as a cushioning of the layer. Our newly commissioned state-of-the-art facility manufactures geomembranes under strict quality control standards. We provide geomembranes in a variety of colors, surface finishes, and thicknesses, which range from 20 to 120 mils. The standard width of geomembranes is 23.5 feet, and we have the capability to make the widest textured sheet in North America. Our products can be offered as wide as 26.25 feet. SKAPS geomembranes are made from the highest grade polyethylene resins. Polyethylene is a unique polymer, which is highly resistant to chemicals and has a high degree of resistance to ultraviolet degradation. The advantage of a polyethylene liner is that it can be easily re-welded, even after several years of service. SKAPS manufactures both high-density and linear low-density polyethylene geomembranes. Linear low-density geomembranes possess nearly the same chemical resistance and functionality of a high-density geomembrane, but with the added benefits of enhanced elongation and superior flexibility. Delivering only the best quality product has always been the focus at SKAPS. Our laboratory has Guide Lab accreditation, and all products undergo rigorous quality control checks before they reach the customer. SKAPS geomembranes are extensively used in landfill lining and capping, heap leach mining pads, pond liners, frac pit liners, and are routinely used by industry-leading fabricators to produce a variety of secondary containment products. SKAPS Industries, the extrusion experts.